How to log into Panera employee login. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily access your Panera employee account. So in order to do that, you can just go to your web browser and simply search for Panera employee login and then hit the search icon. After doing so, you can just go ahead and tap on the first link, panerabread.com, tap on it. Now, once you get to this page, you should be able to find a login button. If you don't see it, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner here, and you should be able to see the sign in button on the top left. Tap on it. Now just provide your email or phone number that's connected to your account. Tap on continue. And once you do that, you should be asked to enter your password as well. And once you have done that, you should be able to continue to log into your account from here. Provide your phone or email, tap on continue. You'll be asked to enter your password, and then you can easily log into your employee account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.